Good morning, everybody. I should say good afternoon. Happy New Year. Happy January 1st. I just woke up from a nap and that felt absolutely wonderful. And just sat down here at the computer desk looking out the window. We're having more snow. And I don't like it. But anyway, I'm sitting here looking out the window, watching the birds at the bird feeder. This is one of my favorite times. There's a bunch of birds. I'm not sure what they are. They look like sparrows, or the size of sparrows, but totally different markings, so I'm not exactly sure what they are. I'll have to look it up. But so right now I'm sitting here with the camera peeking between the plants, like I usually do to watch the birds anyway, but this time I'm recording them, so, call me a bird peeper or whatever. But they're just absolutely adorable little things. I'm not sure what they are, but it probably would help if my window was cleaner. But anyway, just thought I'd share. There's a couple of them over here on the staff thing, and one down here on the other feeder. But they're just so cute. I just don't know what they are, but I'll check it out and post it after I find it in my bird book. And just thought I'd share. Happy New Year, everybody. I love you guys more than you know. Let's hope that 2014 is the best year ever. Amen. Bye.